Big day.
Guys, we haven't been out. Well, I haven't been out of my house forever, so we're so excited to be outdoors.
We're opening our business account.
Oh yeah, and that. Okay, can we just talk about the fact that this was not planned? We're wearing the same shoes. We're wearing all black. Same. Oh shoot, I gotta put my mask on.
Stop with that. We have a big reveal today, you guys.
Kind of a huge deal. We
Yeah.
think it's a huge deal.
Yeah.
Should we just tell them?
We're revealing the logo.
Today we're going to be revealing to you guys our main logo. Now I know some people are like, oh, it's just a logo, but it's actually kind of a huge deal.
Yeah.
So we found a graphic designer.
We found a sick graphic designer. He's amazing.
That we found his work, we started stalking him.
We were stalking like graphic designers in general.
Yeah.
Every time
We kept on seeing
every
Leon's
time
work.
we'd see like we'd be like, that's sick, and then we'd look and it was always the same guy.
So we knew he was the one. We had an idea of what we wanted for the logo, so we put together basically this mood board of all the different inspiration stuff that we had for it.
We definitely want our branding to look like the high-end brands that we love.
Like we said, a high fashion vibe.
Yeah, I want it to look luxury.
Yes.
We want all the artwork and the graphics and the branding to look expensive,
To look
really high-end.
We just know that we want the visuals for the brand to just be so strong.
And we want packaging that we are obsessed with. We want logos that we are
obsessed
in
with.
love. Like,
so we want the look of the brand to have that super high-end luxury look,
yeah.
but we're gonna price it at a point that is attainable for everyone, but still inspirational. We also incorporated Leon's work here, and it just totally flowed with the vibe of our inspiration so well. And then we sent him another mood board, which again is kind of like the feel, the overall feel and look and vibe and colors of the brand. And again, we have Leon's work in the corner, which just shows how well it flowed with our overall vibe of what we want.
Because look at the like Margiela, Leon, it's like the vibe is so similar. So we love that.
The process was really cool because we went back and forth to get it exactly where we want. But before we reveal the final logo, let's give you a little sneak peek of the process.
Hey, Eman. Hey, Natalie.
How's it going, Leon? We're talking all about logo.
Good idea if we have like one version of the logo that's just super simple.
One variation of SYXX on its own, and then one variation of SYXX BEAUTY.
We want to put it everywhere. Our website, packaging.
Something that's kind of timeless.
I love that.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Embrace the theme of duality.
Feminine, very strong and powerful, but it still has like a very feminine touch to it.
I just think the thing that might be throwing this is that this black bar is way too aggressive.
Okay, we love this, but if we're doing this XX, I'd rather do it like that.
Yeah.
More experimental, more like edgy.
Yeah, first and last for me, for sure. Wow, the logo is perfect.
I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna cry. I feel very emotional.
All right, are we ready?
SYXX, the word itself, is so sexy that we just didn't want the logo and the artwork to compete with it. Simple but elegant and high-end, which is exactly what we were looking for.
The salt detail on the S, even though it's so subtle, it makes such a difference. The X is really pretty and feminine and has this really nice curvy shape, whereas the Y and the X's are stronger and more aggressive. So we love it.
We're really happy.
We hope you guys love it too. Go show it some love on our Instagram page.
Let us know, like,
let us know your thoughts.
Cute. Now that our logo is done,
Yes.
we're focusing on
product. Woo!
I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys.
Yeah.
I need a second.
I mean, yeah, it's a huge project.
Leon, Eman.
I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me.